What's up guys, thank you. So Samsung has launched its new budget smartphones under the all new Galaxy M series, Samsung Galaxy M10 and Samsung Galaxy M20. The Galaxy M10 features a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus V-shaped display with 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Exynos 7870 chipset along with 2 GB and 3 GB of RAM. It comes with 16 GB and 32 GB of internal storage via micro SD card slot for expanding the phone's storage capacity up to 512 GB. As for the camera's configuration, the device features a 13-megapixel primary sensor along with an f1.9 aperture and 5-megapixel secondary ultra-wide sensor. For selfies, there are 5-megapixel front-facing sensor. It has an ultra-wide mode to sport, landscape, cityscape and group photos. On the other hand, the Galaxy M20 comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity V display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, it is powered by the company's own Exynos 7904 chipset paired with 3 GB of RAM and 4 GB of RAM. The 3 GB RAM model packs 32 GB of internal storage, while the 4 GB model comes with 64 GB internal storage. The phone also comes with a micro SD card slot, which enables users to further expand the storage capacity up to 512 GB. There is a fingerprint sensor on the back, and the phone also supports face unlock feature. For imaging, the Galaxy M20 comes with a dual rear camera setup along with 30-megapixel primary sensor that has an f1.9 aperture and 5-megapixel ultra-wide secondary sensor. On the front side, it comes equipped with an 8-megapixel sensor along with an f2.0 aperture.